Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the symptoms of bad rear coil springs in your car. If you've noticed your car's rear end sagging or bouncing excessively, it could be a sign of worn out or damaged rear coil springs. One of the most common symptoms of bad rear coil springs is a noticeable sag in the rear end of the car. This can affect the handling and stability of the vehicle, especially when going over bumps or uneven surfaces. Another symptom to watch out for is excessive bouncing or swaying in the rear of the car. This can make the ride feel rough and uncomfortable, and it can also affect the car's ability to maintain traction and control on the road. In some cases, you may also hear clunking or banging noises coming from the rear of the car, especially when going over bumps or rough roads. This can be a sign that the rear coil springs are worn out and in need of replacement. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to have your rear coil springs inspected by a qualified mechanic. Ignoring these signs can lead to further damage to your car's suspension system and compromise your safety on the road. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with bad rear coil springs, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.